When it comes time for capital roof replacements, Commercial Roofing and Waterproofing Hawaii can help you develop a practical solution, mobilize your project, and document the progress within the CRW Direct online project monitoring system, which provides you with daily reports emailed to you, including work performed, percent complete, and more. Most importantly, CRW Direct offers closed-loop resolution. Every step in the process is captured in real time and is recorded as it takes place, which allows you to pull real reports within the system at a local or corporate level. Plan better, budget and forecast smarter, all inside of an easy-to-use system. That is what control is all about.